Hi, good morning, one and all. My name is Ravindra LC, Department of Computer Science and Engineering. I teach subject is AI. What is AI? Introduction of AI, definition of AI, why AI, goal of AI, and application of AI, history of AI. Now discuss is a introduction of AI. Artificial intelligence is a very important subject in computer science environment because nowadays we are dealing with AI, artificial intelligence. Today, technology is growing is very fast and get get touch with different new technologies and devices day by day. New technologies and this one of the AI fascinating universal field in computer science which has greatest scope in the future. The AI is intensive case machine work as a human. That is main concept of AI. Actually, main concept of AI is a machine has a work. Machine work as a human. That is main concept of AI. Nowadays, we are using so many technologies and we are using play mobile phone games and play chess. So many things are using artificial intelligence. And now, why I am saying artificial intelligence is very important subject because it's computer science environment. Now, what definition of artificial intelligence? This the artificial is a man-made and think intelligence defined as a thinking power. This combination of two words is man-made thinking power. It called as artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is defined as its branch of computer science by which we can create intelligence machine which can behave like a human and think like human and able to take a decisions. That is artificial intelligence. And AI, we do not need pre-programmed machine. AI is it do not need pre-programmed machine to do some work and AI AI is a to have we have which have create machine programmed algorithm which work with two is more intelligence. And the discuss of the next is why AI intelligence. Why are you using the AI intelligence? Nowadays we have with help of AI we can create such softwares and devices which can solve real world problem is very easy and accuracy such as health issues and marketing and traffic issues. So many things are using the artificial intelligence. With help of AI you can create your personal virtual assistants is Siri and Google assistants. We are using the artificial intelligence is a Siri and Google and Alexa. There's so many things are using the artificial intelligence. Next, with help of AI, you can you can build such robot which can work environment where survival of human can be risk. Actually, human in world human that not enter in the world that place enter as robot. This robot is a because robot is a artificial intelligence and AI is open a path of intelligence technologies nowadays. new technologies and new devices and new opportunities in artificial intelligence. Next, goal of artificial intelligence. What is artificial intelligence goals? Actually, replicated human intelligence. Replicated human intelligence is a human thinking is replicated and solve knowledge intensive task also is a intelligence. In intelligence connection as a perceptions and actions is using the artificial intelligence. The building a machine which can perform task require human intelligence, human artificial intelligence such as a providing a theorem and playing chess and plan for surgical operations, driving car in traffic. Actually, creating some systems which can exhibit intelligence, behave, taken in new by self demonstrate and explain can advise to its users the artificial intelligence. And is next is a composer of artificial intelligence. What is composer of artificial intelligence? Actually, artificial is a man-made and intelligence is a thinking power. Artificial is composed of thinking power and thinking power composed of a reasoning and learning, the perceptions, problem solving and linguistic intelligence. There's so many things are using is artificial intelligence. And next is application of artificial intelligence. This artificial intelligence, which application we have used to artificial intelligence? Nowadays, we artificial intelligence refer to a simulation of human intelligence in machine and the goal of artificial intelligence is is a intelligence included learning and reasoning and perceptions. We are using the artificial applications. And next, AI is being used can across the different industries and finance and healthcare. His example of finance is a banking service and industries and healthcare is hospitals to using the artificial intelligence. And next, Veka AI is next. Veka AI is tends to be like simple single task oriented and strong AI career in tasks that are more complex and human like is a artificial intelligence. And next is history of artificial intelligence. History 1950 it will be started that time is artificial intelligence is Turing test and 1955 is John McCarthy is introducing the artificial intelligence and 1974 is computers became faster and adaptable and 1980 that year is very artificial is a very growth the AI. So is year of AI, the artificial intelligence is 1980 and 2000 is a landmark of AI established achieved is and the next is a the artificial intelligence we have to 1950 to 1970 in technologies. Neural technologies we have used to yearly work with neural networks and existment for thinking machines. Existment for thinking machines. And next is a machine learning is 1980 to 2000. And machine learning became popular of neural networks and deep learning. Deep learning breakthroughs drive AI boom. These are using the artificial intelligence. And next is a The according to the father of the father of artificial intelligence is a John McCarthy. Is computer science engineering, computer engineering, the making intelligence machines, especially intelligence computer programmer. Actually, John McCarthy is artificial in 1956. His proposal of artificial intelligence. His name is John McCarthy, and artificial intelligence is a way of marketing and connected robots or softwares and intelligent and integrating a similar manner to get the human thing like as a artificial intelligence. The next is a how does artificial intelligence, how does artificial intelligence is work? That during a paper computing a machine, the computing is a the machinery, and intelligence is 1950. The subsequent Turing test the established that the fundamental of goal and vision, the artificial intelligence, and the major limitation of artificial intelligence is defined AI is simple build machine that are artificial intelligence, and Norwich and Russell's go on the explore four different types approaches that have historical different field acting humanly, a system that act like human, that is using to the Turing test approaches, and thinking humanly, the systems that like a human is conjugative modeling approaches. And next is thinking rationally. The system acts a thinking irrationally, the law of thought approaches, and acting rationally. The system act is rationally, the using the rational agent approaches is the the first two data, two first two ideas, it concerned through the process and reasoning, while we are others deals with behavior. All the skills needed for the Turing test above alone the agent to act rationally. The artificial intelligence is a overview of that, is a thinking of humanly. This man-made thinking power. Its main concept of the artificial intelligence is a man-made thinking power. And thank you.